This video walks through the different features and capabilities available in the RedShelf eReader. The RedShelf eReader is a browser-based software providing an accessible and engaging reading experience. The main menu sidebar is where you'll find many of the features we'll walk through in this video. To navigate through your ebook, you can move from one section to the next with the left and right arrow icons, search for a term or phrase, or move to a page by entering the number in the page search bar. You can add a bookmark to save a spot in the text. All of your bookmarks are organized in the main menu for easy access. To highlight, click and drag across text. Once you make a highlight, you have the ability to do a variety of actions, like organize by different color coding to draw attention to important text, quickly create a note, or create flashcards from the text and organize them as a way to study important terms and phrases. You can also copy the text or automatically generate an MLA citation. All notes and highlights made in the text are saved in the main menu and organized by section. You can use the search bar to find a term or phrase in your notes and highlights. Additionally, you can jump back into the text associated with the highlight by clicking the arrow in the note. To take a deeper look at all notes and highlights made in the text, you can utilize the study guide to sort and review by section. Flashcards are saved in the main menu, and you can select a study mode preference, including the grouping and filters that can be applied. While studying, you can rate your level of confidence of the terms and phrases in your flashcards. Once you do this, you'll be able to use advanced features, like hiding cards you no longer wish to review, shuffling cards randomly to test your memory, and sorting by confidence level to organize your flashcards based on comprehension. Depending on publisher allowances, you may be able to print selections of text. Offline mode is available to store selections of text for access without an internet connection. The amount of offline text available depends on individual publisher allowances. Experimental Features is a section where RedShelf rolls out new features for you to test prior to the official launch. Narrator is a feature that provides an audio reading of the current selection of text. In collaboration, you can share notes and highlights with fellow users of the same ebook, as well as subscribe to other users' notes and highlights. This is helpful in the event that you're studying with a group and want to share your notes and highlights. Under the Help and Support section, you can connect with the customer experience team if you have any questions or experience problems while in the reader. Additionally, the keyboard shortcuts provides information on accessible usage of the e-reader. For additional videos, resources, and FAQs on the RedShelf eReader, visit redshelf.zendesk.com.